Hello everyone. Today I have a very special guest with the asset Resolute software. Her name is Pavlina Yanakieva and she is CEO and Executive Director of Bulgaria Innovation Hub. Hello Polly, how are you?
Hi Vessi, I'm great. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Today we want to tell you more about a very special project that we were able to do in the past couple of months. And in that I would like to say that it's implementing Salesforce and more specifically NPSP or non-product success pack for BIH especially. I want to take you back a few months before we actually met and spent quite some time together. But what were the challenges that made you say, okay, we need to solve this and we need to implement something or do something with our internal operations, and then decided to implement Salesforce?
Oh boy, where do I start, right? So BIH, even though we are set up as a nonprofit, we're kind of like a lean startup, if you will, a smaller team of 4 with the back and support of, army of volunteers and interns, mentors, etc. So it's been a quite a difficult journey because, when you have a small team, you wear multiple hats, plenty of responsibilities to worry about, again, as I mentioned, from operational to strategy, program management, donor management. And when you don't have, the right tools, it's a challenge.
So when we talk about the implementation process itself, which I was involved in, can you tell us more about your journey and your experience during the implementation process?
Where do I start? I feel grateful. I am truly grateful, again, to the entire team at Resolute and you, Ves, because you've made this entire journey incredibly pleasant is not the right word, but it was incredibly simplified. It was very structured. Your ability to communicate and, take down that complex technical content and, synthesize it to very simple steps. Your ability to manage me in the process and, and our small team truly made an impact.
Can you tell me what features you actually like in the implementation, like what we've done so far?
So for us, organizing and analyzing and finding ways to process that data, mine it, and then analyze it and process it in a structured way made a huge difference. Of course, donor management and campaign management is a huge component as a nonprofit. Staying on top of that, it's critical because the communication between our donors and ourselves, it's pretty much the lifeblood of a nonprofit.
So when it comes to the future, so how do you envision you working with the system? How is it so far?
The fact that all of these processes and all of the fragmented data analytics and internal challenges that we had, having access to the right data at the right moment at this, pretty much at the fingertips, was a challenge that kept me up at night. As someone who was, I had to at times be able to prepare reports for the board meeting in a matter of hours, and sometimes gathering data, analyzing it, and all of that was a challenge. Same thing with running end of year campaigns or annual campaigns throughout the year also was a challenge because we didn't have the right setup, and so I'm very confident again that with the help of Salesforce and your guidance and the backend support that you've already initiated in terms of the the videos and the training sessions and all of that, again I'm beyond impressed by the professionalism and the technical capabilities of you and your team. So thank you for that.